In this video, we are going to learn how we can make some amazing customizations in daily reports. For example, if you want to see the monthly profit and loss separately or even daily, we can just go to the gateway of Tally and extract the profit and loss report first. Now, this is the overall profit and loss for the period of 1st of January till 31st of January. And this is the detail of it. But let's say that I want to see the per day profit and loss account. Let's say I am in any kind of retail business or the store, and I want to see the total profitability and sales on a daily basis. What I can do is on my right, I can see the auto column option. The short key for it is N with the combination of alternate. So click here, and here we have the choice of either we can extract 4-week, month report, daily report, fortnightly, half yearly, monthly. So however we want. Let's say we want it daily. As we select daily, it will extract the daily profit and loss for us. Now in this particular example, we don't have the indirect expenses mentioned for each separate day because we have recorded all of our transactions nearly on 31st of January. But here you can see we have the profit and loss for each date, 28 January, 29 January, 30th January. So this will be an amazing report for you, especially if you are in the retail business. One other very amazing feature of Tally is you can filter any kind of search in Tally. For example, if we go from the main section to display more reports and daybook, there, as we know, all the transactions are shown. But let's say I want to see and search for any particular voucher type. Let's say I want to see only the payments and that's it. What I need to do is just press alternate F12 on my keyboard. You can now apply filter by pressing Control F. So apply filter now. Yes. That means I can also press Control F to apply the filter. Apply filter on the vouchers. And I want to look for payment. Hit enter. And now we can only see the payment here. From here, if we want to switch to the default settings, I'll just press escape once and it will remove the filter. Similarly, let's press Control F again. And now we can set the advanced filter as well. On our right, we can see the advanced filter. So I want to filter the voucher. So let's say now we want to search it by a particular narration. Let's say that here it is mentioned paint and renovation. For example, let's say that paint and renovation, I have created the ledger of repair and maintenance and I don't know where I have put the paint and renovation expenses. So in that case, I have to search it in the narration. So in the advanced filters, I'll choose the voucher, and with the narration, we can see all the fields here, but we want to search a particular thing in a narration. Narration that contains what? Paint. So in whatever narration it contains the paint word, it will filter out all of the transactions from a long data. Hit enter, end of the list, and there we can see even if the ledger name was repair and maintenance, it actually find it from this narration right here. Or let's say I want to search for an expense of shop. Now the ledger name is only paint and renovation. Let's apply this. Hit escape to clear the filter. Now let's press Control F, go to the advanced filter, and I want to search it in the narration containing shop. Hit enter, end of list. And these are all the expenses that we incurred for the shop. We paid the security deposit for the shop. Here it is mentioned. Shop is mentioned here, so it automatically filters it out. And same goes for paint and renovation. So these voucher filters are very effective, especially if you're working in the real-time scenarios where the data is much larger in quantity. Now similarly, you can try and apply different filters. For example, I want to apply the amount filter. That means that I want to filter all the expenses or any kind of amount that is between 5,000 to 10,000. I'll just press Control F, advanced filters, voucher. Under the voucher, I want to search it according to the amounts. I can also write amount directly here so that I don't need to find it manually. Ledger amount should be greater than 5,000. And again, I'll press and voucher amount with the ledger amount less than or equal to, I can mention that as well, 10,000. End of list. And now it has filtered out all the ledger amounts that is between 5 to 10,000. So that's the power of all the filters and even the report customizations that you can do not only in the balance sheet or profit and loss, but also in whatever report you want. For example, trial balance, I want to see the monthly trial. I'll just click on auto column here and I can split it in multiple columns. I'll keep it monthly and hit enter. And now we can see that we can extract the trial balance for each month. Now the trial balance rule is whatever is the closing balance will be automatically transferred to opening balance of the next month. So that's why it's showing the same balance in every single trial balance. So that's how you can customize the reports in Teddy Prime. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.